Today we got question number 5, which says,
when changing the size of a rectangular image using a computer drawing program, how can you maintain the same aspect ratio? Investigate the scenario using a drawing program within a computer application.
So-
it shows this graph right here.
so for our computer application, we're going to be using Windows. And the program for the application that we used was a 3D Paint one. So we found that in this image, if we want to keep the same ratio on the length side and on the width side, because first for your ratio goes the width and then the length, we wouldn't be able to bring it all the way up here because then it would cut the proportion of the width and the length would be the same, but the width would be a different ratio. Therefore, we can't cut it from all the way from the center of the bottom. And you also can't bring it from the top to the bottom because it would be the same thing doing it from the bottom to the top. You would just be cutting that same width proportion out, so it wouldn't be the same ratio. You also can't cut it from the right side to the left side because that also would ruin the proportion of the length. And you can't change it from the left side to the right side because that's also doing the same thing. The only way you can keep the same ratio is if you move it from the bottom to the top.
Alright, you're gonna move it to the bottom left, to the top right, and that's how you're gonna get the proportion right. Done!
Managed to move it from the bottom left to the top right. And when we did this, the 3D program that we use, the 3D Paint program, allowed us to keep the same proportions from the right to the left, so it has the same ratio on top, on bottom, and the same ratio as the original one. Keep standing right there. I look so little, hold on. We thank you for watching our video. We hope that you understand a little more on how to keep the same proportion and proportional ratio on the 3D Paint application on the Windows, and we hope that you learned. You have a square that is
Square-ular.
this big. Jabari, exit out my video.
Exit out the video if I hit you. Start.
Cut it.
Start.
Pause.
Start.
Pause.
Start.
Stop. Hold on,
Start.
stop, hold
TJ,
on.
catch it.
Ow! Oh, okay.
Today.
Stop. Okay.
Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
Monday.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Anyway.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Alright, let's start.
hate that.